I promise to keep choosing us, even when the road gets difficult, and to never forget the love, faith, and commitment that brought us here. You are my partner, my best friend, and my greatest blessing, today and always. I give you my heart, my loyalty, and my forever.
Ang daya mo.
Thank you, Lo. Excited to see you soon. And kabaw ko, nakita ta ganiya. But lahi pa akong look later.
Magmalipay ka nya sa imong pila ka tuig nakatunta na naram sa kaliran nya kailangan di mo biyaan imo yun ipatuman sa imo naandan. Oh, congratulations. Congrats. Congrats.
Listen not to me. There'll be a day I'll be more creative, a poetic
Before I
way.
say my vow, let me describe how beautiful you are in your wedding dress. Its simplicity perfectly complements who you are. Everything is perfect, and so are you.
I'll take my pride, stand in for you. No, I'm not blind, just seeing it through. You take my life just for the thrill. I'll take tonight and die on this hill. I always will.
Actually, kuan sa namo ka ng anniversary sa among 8 years. And then, may siya yung message na ko for the wedding.
But you wrote the book. I just took a page out to be loved.
This is it. Today is about us, our love, our journey, and the life we're starting together. Let's slow down, take it all in, and enjoy this day as if no one else is watching. I can't wait to be you, to be yours, and start forever with you. Yours lovingly, Lolo.
I'll take my pride, stand in for you. No, I'm not blind, just seeing it through. You take my life.
Ready? Okay. Forever.
Forever.
Okay.
On this hill, I always.
My lolo, my guwang. We started to call each other that as an endearment to our quirky behavior. Today, this becomes more than that. This becomes a reminder that we will grow old together until our hairs turn white, our wrinkles show, and our eyesight fade. Now and forever. I love you.
Love you.
I love you, Lo.
I'll take my pride.